Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram story poll sticker. By adding poll stickers to stories, Instagram users are able to ask their audience for feedback. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Choose the story option from the pop-up menu. Once the story camera screen opens, take the picture, record the video, or upload the visual from your camera roll. Hit the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Now find the poll sticker option and tap it. Enter your question and give 2 answers. As soon as you finish creating your poll, hit Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Now resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. What is more, you may apply effects, draw or write something on your story. Once your story is ready, press on the Send To button and share it to Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram story poll sticker. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.